Hello everyone and welcome back to our leak repair channel where we bring engineering insight to the world of industrial leak repair. I'm Tim Gaida, a professional engineer at My Engineering Limited. The topic of this video is how to seal a valve stem leak with a leak box while allowing the valve to remain operable. That's where an auxiliary stem design comes in. An auxiliary stem is a set of engineered components that attach to the existing valve stem. It lets you operate the valve through the enclosure even after the repair is in place. Here's how it works. The auxiliary stem slides over the existing stem and is locked in place, usually with set screws. Once that is secure, the enclosure is installed over top of it. The enclosure includes a stuffing box where rope packing is installed. A custom follower compresses the packing against the stem, which creates a seal while still allowing the stem to rotate. Finally, a handle is added to the auxiliary stem so the valve can be operated normally. This type of design can be used for both rising stem and rising handle valves. In a rising stem design, the auxiliary stem is hollowed out on the inside so the original valve stem can move freely up and down through it. I'm not going to bother showing a rising handle design as they are so uncommon, although now that I've said that, we'll probably have one fly across our desk. Now, when it comes to sealing this style of design, we recommend using a perimeter seal style of design in lieu of a void fill because the valve components need to move freely inside the enclosure. This is the most reliable option for maintaining valve operability. If a void fill is necessary for some reason, we recommend using a non-curing sealant, something that stays soft and flexible. Avoid curing sealants in these designs because once they harden, they will lock the moving parts in place and make the valve unusable, which defeats the whole purpose of the auxiliary stem design. Another recommendation for auxiliary stem designs is to remove the valve handle. We've done designs where the auxiliary stem attaches to the valve handle if it can't be removed, but those designs usually require a larger enclosure. It's also more difficult to create a snug attachment between the auxiliary stem and the valve handle than it is to get a snug attachment between the auxiliary stem and the valve stem. Now, while these auxiliary stem enclosures work well, they are more complex than standard valve enclosures. They take more time to design, more time to build, and they're often more expensive. So before you request one, ask yourself, do I really need to keep this valve operational? Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel or join our mailing list. We'll keep you updated with more great content as it's released. You'll find the link to the mailing list in the description below. Thanks for watching.